किसी भी तरह से यूट्यूबर बोलते हैं ना।
Let's go!
Go 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 go! Hi guys, so we are near to Hanle. We just submitted Umlingla Pass. These are the beautiful cars made for the Ladakh. Mahindra Thar, and that's a petrol version, with the MT Stallion. And this is the Suzuki Jimny. Amazing cars for Ladakh, beautiful roads. क्या चलाया क्या भगाया. As a driver, I'm really happy with the Jimny's performance. It floats on the road, off-road पे भागता है. And I would like Thar to advise कि कैसा था Thar का experience.
Guys, beautiful car up in here. I would say this is a rugged car. We've done all sorts of nasty things on this car. Driven all the terrains up, down, hill start as well. This has taken every rough terrain what we have driven so far. Soft sand, hard rocks, gravel roads, and the four low as well. It's done beautifully. It's taken all the rough driving that we've done to it. I feel sad for the car, but it's a tough car. It's meant to do it. It's doing it.
Right, like Mr. Amer has been sitting as a passenger and also been driving the Thar as well as the Jimny. He would be the right person to advise how he felt about both the cars.
Okay, starting with the pros of the Thar, some which my friend here already covered. It's a perfect 4x4, exactly the kind of car you need in a terrain like Ladakh or in the mountains. That said, there are some cons for anybody considering this car. The first is that it is not very comfortable for the driver. There is an extreme amount of body roll, possibly because of the high suspension and the large tires. The second is there are just some utility things like where the placement of the knobs, which can be quite annoying. And later on, I also had an opportunity to drive the Jimny. To start with, I was perhaps a little biased. It looks like a very tiny, toy car really, but this really blew me away. The driver's experience, the suspension, the power, the cornering is just top notch. So while the Thar is a solid performer, don't underestimate that little atom bomb that's out there.
Fantastic. We also have. He has been traveling as a passenger in my car for a very long time.
I know the ruggedness of Thar, but as friends already talked about the role, let's come to the Jimny. Jimny, it takes the gravel road off-roading to the next level, I think, because it's so smooth. Since the last 3 days I've been seeing, it floats on the gravel roads, and the suspension is extraordinary for these rugged roads. And the driving experience, you should drive on these rugged roads to experience the tiny atom bomb. As my friend Amir said, it is a ballistic missile on rugged roads.
We also have Mr. Praveen. Mr. Praveen, we'll show you Mr. Praveen. He's an off-roader. He's an off-roader himself. He loves cars. He has been sitting as a passenger. He has been sitting inside the Thar. He has also tried out the Jimny himself, not for a very long time, but yes, he has good experience on both the cars. A little word.
So, like you said, the Thar is a nice off-roading vehicle, but again, a lot of body roll, right? So, not very comfortable for the people sitting in the back. I don't know people sitting in front, but there's a lot of body roll. But yes, a rugged vehicle can go into any terrain. I was surprised by this guy. I've never driven a Jimny in my life. right? But this baby floats on gravel road. Trust me, it's center of gravity of this vehicle is amazing. It planks on the road, so when you're going off road, you don't feel anything. It just floats, just flies actually. So like what my friend said, it's like actually an atom bomb, and this is probably a grenade.
So lovely. So we had a good chat.
Yes.
How about the golden question, the $1 million question? Sir, if you had to buy a car, put your own money, Jimny or Thar? Jimny.
Jimny any day. My second car is a Thar.
Because,
That's a good answer.
can I give a reason?
Please.
The chimney service, this thing is always the Maruti.
The Maruti service.
Thar we experienced, sorry to tell you, it was a bad experience yesterday. We were stuck and we tried contacting the service centers and we hardly got any help. Sorry.
And I have travelled on this car from Bangalore till Umlingla, and the car has given me a mileage of 16 on the highway and 12.6. To be very honest, 12.6, 12.3. That's quite good. One thing which I do not appreciate about this car is that I could say they could be given us a little more bigger tires, make it look more aggressive like the Thar is. They could give us more of a harder metal. It kind of, when you sit on it, you see that it bends or dents. So needed it to be a little more hard, the hard metal thing in it. So that's what, it's a little soft, but do it all, it's a leopard among the lions. So it's a fantastic car.
Verdict. If you had to buy a car.
Both of them are good in their own way. But I think I had Jimny.
Jimny?
Yeah, I only didn't like the seating and the door opening, especially having a family of 4.
Correct.
Getting kids at the back or any adults can be very challenging with the 3-door option. If given a 5-door option, I would definitely go for a Thar. If have to choose with whatever we have, a 3-door of a Thar and a 5-door of a Jimny, personal preference with having to fit the family in, I would say a Jimny, because getting in and out is much more easier.
Yes.
I haven't personally driven much of it. Only by looking at it, how difficult is it to get into a back seat. Having myself sit at the back, it's quite difficult. Even at my age, it's difficult. Kids difficult. I think we won't even bother talking about the old people.
Yeah, fantastic. Overall, these 2 cars are available in India, and we are very lucky to have these amazing, powerful cars here. And we all Indians can off-road. No bias to anyone. Both the cars are amazing, and we Indians are happy to have them in India. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.